You know you have work to do, but instead you're scrolling, watching, or just thinking only. Procrastination isn't just a bad habit, it's a cycle that keeps you stuck. But what if there was a simple, proven way to break free? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop procrastinating and get things done. The ABC formula, a method so simple yet effective. Here's how it works. Awareness. First, recognize when and why you're procrastinating. Is it fear, boredom, perfectionism? Identifying the reason is half the battle. Break it down. Huge tasks feel overwhelming. Instead, break them into the smallest possible steps. Instead of workout for 1 hour, start with workout for 20 minutes. Commit and start. The hardest part is beginning. So trick your brain. Tell yourself you'll do it for just 2 minutes. Once you start, momentum kicks in. Procrastination isn't about laziness. It's about how your brain avoids discomfort. But now with the ABC formula, you can take control. Try it today and watch how effortlessly you get things done. If you're still here, then like the video and hit subscribe for more content like this.